Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making homemade stuffed pickled cabbage. You're going to need 20 to 25 pickled cabbage leaves, 1 cup white rice, 10 slices bacon, 3.5 pounds ground beef, 100 grams lard or 1 cup oil, 2 tablespoons garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon pepper, 3 eggs, and 2 large onions. We're going to start with dicing onions in very small pieces. Cut the bacon in very small pieces also. And then mince the garlic. Heat up the frying pan and add sliced bacon and cook it until it's golden brown and crisp. Add lard or 1 cup oil. This recipe requires a lot of oil and I use lard because it's authentic to this recipe and also good for you. Add onions and saute until translucent. Add garlic. Mix it well. Add pepper. Add paprika. Add salt. Stir well and cook for about a minute. Add the ground beef and mix thoroughly until combined. The beef doesn't need to fully cook at this stage. Take it off the stove and transfer it to a dish and let it cool down. After the meat is cooled down, we're going to add 3 eggs, add white rice, mix until everything is well combined and set aside. Now we're going to roll the cabbage. Before you start making rolls, make sure to cut out the cabbage core. Then set it up in the palm of your hand. just like a baseball glove, and then fill it up according to the size of the leaf. Fold the sides, and then as tight as you can, start rolling from the bottom up inside your palm. And there it is. This is what it's supposed to look like. Let me do it again. Again, set it up in your hand, fill it up with the meat, fold the sides, and then roll it up. It's that easy. And repeat this until you run out of the meat. Now we're going to make a sauce. You're going to need 4 cups of water, 50 grams lard or half a cup oil, 8-ounce tomato paste, 1.5 tablespoon flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar. Heat up your frying pan and add lard or oil and let it completely melt. Keep stirring as you're adding ingredients. Add flour, add paprika, add sugar, add salt, add pepper, now add 4 cups of water, and mix it well. At the end, add tomato paste. And make sure you mix it well again and cook it until it thickens. This is what it's supposed to look like. And then pour the sauce on top evenly. Now it depends on the size of your baking dish. You might need to add extra water and add as much as you need to submerge all the rolls underwater. This is what it's supposed to look like. Cover it with the foil. Preheat your oven to 360 and cook it for 2.5 hours. Remove from the oven and take in the aroma of your perfectly cooked cabbage rolls. They're tender, flavorful, and absolutely worth the effort. Serve hot and enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.